Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I absolutely love it. It's kind of like sunset, pink sunset kind of vibes, which I absolutely love. So if you want to see how I created it and what products I use, then please keep on watching. So as this is going to be just an eye makeup tutorial, I've already done my base like foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour, highlight, everything. So I can just focus on the eyes. Now today I'm going to be using the bPerfect Cosmetics Carnaval Palette. I've never actually heard of this brand before, but I saw this on Beauty Bay and just really wanted to try it out. It's got really nice colourful shadows in there, which I'm so excited to try. So yeah, I'm going to be using this palette to create this makeup look. So to start off this look, I'm just going to grab this like smallish fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to dip into this orangey shade which is called Shuffle. It's like a really soft sort of orange. I'm picking up some of that. There's not much fallout, which is good. Tap off a little bit of the excess, and I'm going to apply this on the outer half of my crease, just doing circular motions. It's got nice pigment to it, which is really good, and I'm just going to apply this like I said, on the outer half of my crease and then upwards. So I'm not taking that all the way into the inner corner, literally just on the outer half. I'm then going to grab a clean fluffy blending brush. This is the Real Techniques 203 brush, and I'm going to dip into this hot pink shade which is called Wifey, and I'm going to apply that on the outer half. Whoa, oh my god, that is really pigmented. I'm really impressed. I'll find out, I can't remember how much this palette was, but I will find out and link it somewhere on the screen or in the description. Somewhere, it'll be somewhere. I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my lid as well, like crease, not lid, crease. And I'm taking this quite far up into like the corner of the brow area, and I'm just going to slightly blend that into that orangey shade. Once I get to the orangey shade, I'm taking it a little bit lower, just because I want to see that. I want it to be kind of like a pinky orangey sunset kind of look. So I don't want to take it fully right up to where we applied that. And then I'm actually just going to take a clean brush and just go over this outer area just to blend those two colours in a little bit more. Obviously I don't want to put any more product or pink shadow on top of the orange, so I'm just going to blend it out with a clean brush. I'm going to do a cut crease, so don't worry too much with what's happening on the lid. Just want to take this so it's nice and blended. And if you want to, you can dip back into that orange just to go over the top to help blend it even more. Then you can. I'm then going to grab a pencil brush and pick up that hot pink shade Wifey that we've literally just laid down. And I'm going to run this under my lower lash line. So I'm going to mimic exactly what I've done on the top, but I'm going to kind of reverse it. So the hot pink will go on the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm going to drag that down quite far because I want you to be able to like notice it and see it. And I'm going to connect it with the top. So I'm literally just taking that halfway, just so it's like that. And then I'm going to grab a clean brush and pick up that orange, which is called Shuffle. And I'm going to apply that on the inner half of my lower lash line. Take that right up quite close. And then slowly blend it into that pink shade. So we get that nice transition like we have with our upper lid. And then you can always go back in with the pink just to help blend it across. And then for the cut crease, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. Love this stuff. I'm literally just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand like that. And then I'm just going to use my concealer brush to carve out my lid. So I'm going to pop this on both sides and then carve out my lid. I've explained this like every single time I do a cut crease, so if you want to know how I do it, then you can always just look at the other videos. You're probably bored of me telling you. And then once I've blended it all out, I'm going to go ahead and grab this white shade right here. It's called Pink Me, which I'm not too sure why it's called Pink Me, because it's white, but sure. So I'm just going to pick that up on a flat shader brush and set that. Ah, okay. So actually like reflects pink, which is really cool. Like it's a little bit like, I wouldn't say shimmery, but it has got that kind of shimmer to it. But that's actually pink. That's actually really cool. Love that. And then if you want to, I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of that pink wifey shade and then help blend that together. So there's no harsh line, just using a really soft hand. Just drag that across. I'm going to grab this small shader brush and pick up this yellow shade, which is called Keen. And to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to put that in the... Oh, these are so pigmented, like I'm really, really impressed. I'm just going to put that in my inner corner to kind of really give it that sunsetty kind of vibe. I'm going to pick up a clean shader brush and pick up the shade Moon, which is this white highlighting shade. And I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. I'm so impressed with how pigmented these shadows are. Like, there isn't much kickback when you pop your brush into the pan, and also there's no fallout whatsoever. Like, I haven't got any fallout over my face. And with like bright pigmented colours, you do sort of like expect that to happen, but I'm so surprised that this hasn't happened. I have not got any fallout on my face whatsoever, so I'm really, really impressed. I'm going to put on some false lashes, but before I do, I'm going to put some mascara on. I'm going to use this Max Factor what's it called? High Definition Mascara in the shade Black. So I'm going to put this on my top and bottom lashes. It's actually so cold today, hence why I've got my massive jumper on. So ignore that, but I was freezing. There was no way I was putting a nice top on. Too cold. So for lashes, I'm going to be applying the Ardell Wispies. These ones are my absolute favourites. And then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be applying this white eyeliner by Morphe in the shade Coconut, and I'm going to run that in my lower waterline. Now for lips, I'm so excited because I'm going to be trying out the MAC collaboration with Jamie Genevieve. This is what the packaging looks like. Now this is the jean jacket that she always wears in some of her photos and some of her videos, but that is what's on the packaging with her gold signature on it. The shade is called At Jamie Genevieve, and I'm so excited to try this. I love Jamie Genevieve, like I love watching her videos, her vlogs, everything. She's done so well and I'm so excited. Obviously she's done a nude, so let me just swatch this on the back of my hand. So that is what the colour looks like. It's so pretty, like I love it. I feel like it's going to be like the perfect nude for my skin tone. Now this is a satin finish, I believe. Let me just double check. Yeah, satin lipstick, which I find are very comfortable to wear. So yeah, I'm going to apply this on my lips. That felt so smooth to apply and I love the colour. With nudes, I like to put the lip liner on after, just because I like to create like an ombre effect with them. It feels really, really comfy to wear at the moment, so I'm so excited. Now for lip liner, I'm going to be applying MAC Subculture, which is this really nice nude. So I'm going to line my lips with this. So I'm lining them and slightly filling in just the outer half of the lip to create an ombre. I love that combination. Oh, so excited. So this is the finished result. I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial and review on the B Cosmetics Carnival palette. I really do recommend it, especially if you like to be more creative with colourful eye makeup looks and things like that. Then I would definitely 100% say that you should purchase this. There's hardly any, like, there's so many beautiful colours in there, and there's hardly any, well, there's no fallout, but there's hardly any kickback. And yeah, I'm so glad I did purchase it, and I absolutely love how this pink sunset kind of vibe look, eye makeup look turned out. So I all hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I do new videos.